humans. I am Nostrildamus, leader of the Snifflids. We are a superior species who travel the cosmos, deciding which life forms are useful to the universe and which are useless.
Tell the truth!
That sounds ominous. What if we don't meet your standards?
We will baste your entire planet for 24 hours in the moist secretions of our snorticles, like so.
But it's only for 24 hours, right?
Yes, and then we will feed your species to our hamsters.
Aw, hamsters are adorable!
Our hamsters look like this.
Ahem. Sky parking is not free, mister. $15 covers you until 3 p.m., and you have to leave your keys.
Fine. Total rip-off. Now, miniature humans, prove your species is worth saving.
We're just kids!
Not my problem. This is your army? Interesting.
I think the word you're looking for is impressive. Army General for the win! Boom! Whoa, whoop!
Hardly. Shall we snork?
Oh, okay. I'm also pretty good at cat sounds. You're gonna have to pay for that.
I should have done that right away instead of paying for parking. Hindsight. Large-boned human child, you're up next. Show us what you've got.
I've got nothing.
Pitiful.
Beltrum!
What was that?
Sorry, I fart when I'm nervous.
Your bottom fog is pure poison. Can all humans do this?
Sure, everybody farts, but I'm probably the best at it.
Quickly, back to the mothership. We shall marinate the entire planet from a safe distance.